Assalamu alaikum gentlemen cadets. How are you? Today we are going to start our third topic of chapter first, International System of Units. Gentlemen cadets, when physical quantities are introduced in this physical world, there is a needed to measure all these physical quantities in a particular system. There are so many international systems are invented in this physical world to measure all these physical quantities. Number one, there is a first system to measure the physical quantities which is known as CGS system. Gentlemen cadets, CGS, C for centimeter, G for gram, and S for second. This is the first system of measurements through which all physical quantities are measured. C for a centimeter, G for gram, and S for second. It means that centimeter is a unit of length, gram is the unit of mass, and second is the unit of time. This is the first system through which we measure the physical quantities CGS, C for centimeter, G for gram, and S for second. It means that length is a centimeter is a unit of length, gram is a unit of mass, and second the unit of time. After that, another system given by a scientist through which we measure the physical quantities, which system is known as FPS system. Dear students, F for foot, P for pound, and S for second year. F for foot, P for pound, S for second. It means that in FPS system, the unit of length is foot, the unit of pound is force, and second is the unit of time. Most of the students are confused in FPS system. Some of the students says that pound is a unit of mass. Gentlemen cadets, in FPS system, the pound is a unit of force. In FPS system, the unit of mass is slug. Unit of mass is slug. It means that in FPS system, the mass is a derived quantity, force is a base quantity. In FPS system, I again repeated it, in FPS system, mass is a derived quantity, but force is a base quantity. So here the unit of mass in FPS system is slug. After that, another system were invented by a physics scientist which is known as MKS system. MKS system. Here M for meter, K for kilogram, and S for second. It means that meter is the unit of length, kilogram is the unit of mass, and second the unit of time. Length, meter is the unit of length, kilogram is the unit of mass, and second the unit of again time. So after that another system was invented to measure the physical quantities, which is known as SI system. In 1960, a meeting was held in Paris to modify system of measurements. System of measurements. 1907 में तीन, ये जो हमने बेसिक पढ़ी, सीजीएस सिस्टम, एफपीएस सिस्टम एंड एमके सिस्टम, उसके बाद एक मीटिंग हुई थी पेरिस में 1960 में. उनमें यह किया गया था कि पूरे सिस्टम्स को, दुनिया को फिजिकल क्वांटिटीज को मेजर करने के लिए सिंगल यूनिक सिस्टम मस्ट बी देयर थ्रू व्हिच ऑल फिजिकल क्वांटिटीज कैन बी measured. So MKS system, all scientists are ये मुत्तफिक हो गए सारे साइंटिस्ट एक ही चीज पे कि वो MKS सिस्टम को उन्होंने क्या किया, चेंज द नेम ऑफ MKS सिस्टम इनटू अ SI सिस्टम. MKS सिस्टम को मॉडिफाई किया गया, MKS सिस्टम को नाम को चेंज करके ऐसा नाम दिया गया, इंटरनेशनल सिस्टम ऑफ स्टैंडर्डाइजेशन. आफ्टर दैट ऑल दीज थिंग्स आर measured. It means that all physical quantities are measured in the terms of this SI units. Gentlemen cadets, this international system of units again divided into two parts. Again divided into two parts. One is known as base units and other is known as derived units. As we already know that there are two types of physical quantities. One is known as base quantity. Recall my second lecture, base quantities and derived quantities. So international system of units again divided into two parts, base units and derived units. What is the base units? Base units are units possessed by base quantities are known as base units. Are units possessed by base quantities are known as base units. मतलब जो यूनिट्स बेस क्वांटिटीज, फिजिकल क्वांटिटीज जो बेस क्वांटिटीज हमारे पास थी, उनके जो यूनिट्स हैं उसको हम कहते हैं बेस यूनिट्स. देयर आर 7 बेसिक क्वांटिटीज लेंथ, mass, time, amount of substance intensity of light, intensity of light. Number 6, temperature. And electric. Number 7, electric current. Electric current. SI unit of length is meter. SI unit of mass is kilogram. SI unit of time is second. SI unit of amount of substance, mole. SI unit of intensity of light, candela. And SI unit of temperature, Kelvin. And SI unit of electric current is ampere. Gentlemen cadets, these are the 7 basic quantities whose units are known as base units: length, mass, time, amount of substance, intensity of light, temperature, and electric current, and whose units are known as base units: meter, kilogram, second, mole, candela, Kelvin, and an ampere. So we draw here a table of base units along with its base quantities. मैं यहाँ पे एक टेबल बना रहा हूं जहां पे आपको नेम आएगा, नेम, SI unit, symbol. See here, number 1, length, SI unit, meter. Mass, SI unit of kilogram. Time, SI unit, second. Intensity of light, SI unit is candela. Amount of substance, amount of substance, mole. Number 6, electric current, electric current, unit, ampere. And number 7 is knowledge: length, mass, time, intensity of light, amount of substance, electric current. And number 7 is length, mass, time, intensity of light, amount of substance, electric current. And number 7 one is a temperature. Temperature, unit of temperature is a Kelvin. These are 7 basic quantities whose units: meter, kilogram, second, candela, mole, ampere, and Kelvin. Here symbol: M for a meter, kg for a kilogram, S for a second, CD for a candela, and MOL is a mole and MOLE is the SI unit of amount of substance, and the symbol is MOL. Electric current ampere A and temperature Kelvin K. It means that meter the unit of length, kilogram the unit of mass, second the unit of time, candela is the unit of intensity of light, mole is the unit of amount of substance, ampere the unit of electric current, and Kelvin the unit of temperature. So these are the SI units of base quantities. 7 base quantities whose SI units and symbol are there. Now moving towards derived quantities, units and symbols. Derived units. First of all, we discuss about what is derived units. As we already know, there are two types of physical quantities. One is known as base quantities, other is known as derived quantities. The units possessed by derived quantities are known as derived units. Units possessed by derived quantities are known as derived units. There are so many derived physical quantities. For example, force. Number 2, velocity. Acceleration. Pressure. Work, etc. etc. The unit of force is a Newton. Unit of force is a Newton. SI unit force, SI unit Newton. Velocity meter per second. V. SI unit is a meter per second. Acceleration SI unit is a meter per second square, and pressure Pascal, and the unit of work is joule. Newton is denoted by capital N, velocity is denoted by V, acceleration denoted by small a, and Pascal PA, and joule is a capital J. Sometimes in the symbols, velocity is also shown in same meter per second, and acceleration also same in meter per second square. So these are the units of a derived quantities. That's why we call it a derived units. I hope you all are understand it. Thank you.